am in Sri Venkateshwara Theatre to watch Veeramallu movie. My favorite hero since the last 2 decades or 2.5 decades. I am at Sri Venkateshwara Theatre near Jagdamba Center in Visakhapatnam. I have come here to watch the movie Veeramallu. Wish me happy enjoyment and good entertainment. People are waiting here in rows, waiting for the tickets. Exercise is Babu. Both the theaters, Veeramallu only, but I was